Purvi on the platform of Now Gujarat Samai. Today we have a very special guest. क्या वो शहंशाह है, चालबाज है कि सिर्फ आवारा पागल दीवाना है? नहीं नहीं, वो मिस्टर इंडिया है, अव्वल नंबर पे है. He is the one who can say क्या cool है हम. He is the one who can give grand masti, great grand masti to the audience. He's special. He's doing one special operation. Aftab Sivdas. Heartiest welcome to you.
Thank you. That was a pretty cool introduction because you named all my films as a child actor.
Yeah, that's so now you're all the way in London, it looks, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, thanks for that. Thanks for giving us time.
Pleasure.
You said you started your career as a child artist. Yeah, at the age of 14 months. Can you imagine?
Yeah.
You were born. So maybe commercial, and then you came up with many other commercials and television films as a child artist, and first youth actor Masti was your first film, I guess.
Yes.
Yeah.
Must was my first one. Yes, that's right.
You proved as a TV star, film star, and now
I haven't done
you are
television though yet. I haven't done television yet.
I mean commercial I'm talking about.
Commercials, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, and you have done many films. You have got a long body of profile. So so that is what I wanted to say. TV star, film star, and now you're an OTT star. So how is this special? I mean, it is getting all the special attention, so much of viewership, and so many engagements. So what is so special about the special ops?
It is a special show. It's with a bunch of special people, and of course 2020 में आपको पता है कि सब लोगों ने इस शो को सराहा और सब लोगों ने इसकी तारीफ की और सब लोगों ने इसको पसंद किया. तो जाहिर सी बात है कि 2021 में यही उम्मीद कर रहे थे हम सब कि जो प्यार और इज्जत इस शो को मिली थी 2020 में, we get the same love and affection in 2021. So yes, it's great and very special to be part of Special Ops 1.5, and I'm just glad I did it.
Yeah, it is just like an Indian James Bond series, much action and spellbinding emotions and dialogues. In fact, I would say that it is more than 007. There's more.
Okay. I hope so.
India has always loved the spy and secrets. Even the spy game, it's popular among children. So, right. What were your challenges playing the role?
Well, I mean, luckily for me, Neeraj sir is such a brilliant writer, Neeraj Pandey sir, that उन्होंने जब लिखी थी तो बहुत ही खूबसूरत तरीके से, बहुत ही well defined script था जहाँ पर सारी छोटी-छोटी चीजें भी उन्होंने cover की थी. तो जब आप script पढ़ते हैं तो you realize कि there is no room for any sort of confusion. There's no room for any sort of doubt or anything, because he covers so much in the script. Like every small nuance is well thought of, covered. तो अगर एक एक्टर के माइंड में एक भी सवाल आता है तो that too he's thought of और उन्होंने स्क्रिप्ट में लिखी गई है. So he's a very well researched, very well informed writer and filmmaker. तो as an actor it makes life so much more easier कि जब आप स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ते हैं तो आपको सारी चीजें आपके सारे सवालों के जवाब स्क्रिप्ट में ही मिलते हैं. So then it becomes that much more easier for you as an actor to just translate his vision from the script to the camera.
Yes, and being an intelligence agent, it's such a responsible job, and it's a thankless job too.
Yeah, it is.
Like the $1 million word, "Chok do and chhod do," you're saving someone or you're taking someone's life.
Yeah.
So,
no, definitely. आपने कहा सही शब्द का इस्तेमाल किया, it's a thankless job, क्योंकि ये हमारे unsung heroes हैं. इनके बारे में ना तो कोई जिक्र होती है, ना तो इनके बारे में लिखते हैं लोग, ना तो इनका चेहरा कभी पब्लिक के सामने आता है, because they are the people behind the scenes who protect us, who keep our country safe from any sort of nuisances or any sort of threats. So उन पर एक कहानी लिखना और उनके ऊपर फिल्माया जाना, it's a big thing. उनको एक ट्रिब्यूट जैसा है. to honor them and to give them the credit that they so well deserve.
That's right. So, what is the difference between working in film and working on OTT?
Nothing really. For an actor, I think a camera is a camera. फर्क सिर्फ इतना है कि OTT में आपको एक थोड़ा सा डिटेल में लिखा जाता है, क्योंकि 8 या 10 घंटे का फुटेज आपको मिलता है, लेकिन फिल्म में आपको सिर्फ 2-2.5 घंटे का जो टाइम फ्रेम मिलता है, उसमें ही पूरी कहानी आपको बतानी पड़ती है. That's the only difference. But otherwise, as an actor, आप किसी भी एक्टर से पूछो, they probably tell you the same thing, that I think it's just a role, it's just a script, it's just a film, it's just a show, it's just a character. So for an actor, that's the same thing, always.
Okay, like, as COVID is fading, we were all used to OTT, but now as COVID is fading, do you think, you will have the same viewership on OTT, or would people go to theaters?
I think it's difficult to say, because जैसे कि आपने कहा कि people are used to seeing OTT, but लेकिन
Okay.
also पिछले 1.5 साल से लोगों ने थिएटर गए नहीं है. एक थिएटर का जो एक्सपीरियंस होता है वो उनको मिला नहीं है. तो with Suryavanshi and films like that coming out, I think it's kind of restarted the whole wagon wheel, I would say, and it's encouraged people to go to the cinema and watch it in a theatrical experience. क्योंकि वो जो एक्सपीरियंस आपको सिनेमा में मिलता है वो घर बैठे आपको नहीं मिलता. That's the only difference. That's the only charm about cinema. So I don't know in times to come how it's going to pan out, but I do know कि ये दोनों coexist कर सकते हैं. आपको अगर घर बैठ के कुछ shows या कुछ पिक्चरें देखनी है तो आप within the confines of your house you can watch it, and at the same time you can, if you want the cinematic experience, to watch a film on big screen, in a big auditorium with that kind of sound and light output, that also you can avail of. It all depends on what your choices are.
Oh, you have done a lot of variations of media. And so what is the special operation still to be done yet in real life I'm talking about? And special ops, I'm sure you won't tell me.
No, I think as an actor, it's very important to keep working. It's very important to do good work. It's very important to do work that befits your talent and what you believe in, what you're creatively satisfied about. So as an actor, that's been my only requirement कि मतलब मैं ऐसा काम करूँ जहाँ मैं अपने दर्शकों को entertain करूँ, उनको खुश रखूँ और अपने आप को भी खुश रखूँ. और एक certain standard मैंने अपने लिए set किया है जिसके ऊपर मैं compromise नहीं करना चाहता हूँ. So that is important, that I do the work that makes me happy at the same time and also entertains my audiences who supported me for 22 years now. I can't complain. उनकी वजह से ही मैं हूँ, और अगर वो नहीं होते तो शायद मैं नहीं होता. But I'm just grateful.
So you are father of a lovely daughter.
Yeah.
Yeah. So heartiest congratulations for that. And
Thank you.
I say, like, being a father, how do you? What will be your message to a daughter, or what will be your message to parents of India?
I'm in no position to give a message to parents of India or give them any sort of advice, because parenting एक बहुत ही individual journey होता है. हर parent को अगर आप पूछें तो वो बताएंगे आपको कि हर एक बच्चा अलग होता है, हर एक बच्चा खास होता है, special होता है. और it's a journey, एक journey जहाँ पर आप रोज कुछ ना कुछ सीखते हो, क्योंकि हर बच्चा अलग होता है और सारे बच्चों की अपनी अपनी खासियत होती है. So because it's an individual journey, तो बहुत मुश्किल होगा कि मैं किसी को भी एडवाइस दूँ या मैसेज दे दूँ. बट आई थिंक हर पेरेंट अगर उनके पास बच्चा है या उन्होंने फैमिली स्टार्ट की है तो उनको ये पता तो होगा कि it's a massive responsibility, and it's a different life altogether, because the dynamic of your life changes. Everything is revolved around the child, and that's understandable. But yeah, it's a beautiful journey. My wife Nin and I are enjoying this journey, and we couldn't be more grateful that we've entered this new phase of our lives as people, and we're just grateful for each day. And our daughter is growing really quickly, but it's a new experience every day, because she's also doing new things every day. So it teaches us parents also a lot you know, it also kind of takes you back to your own childhood and makes you see the more innocent and the more purer things in life, the more unadulterated life, because that's how children see life, through that prism, through just honesty and love and simplicity. जो हम लोग as adults इतने condition हो जाते हैं कि you know, we tend to forget the simpler things in life and the more beautiful things in life. So that is, yeah, I mean, when you revisit childhood, when you have children, is when you get reminded of all these things in life that perhaps you as an adult have forgotten. So, I mean, I can just talk about myself because these are personal experiences, but I don't think I'm in any position to give advice to parents. I'm sure parents know how to look after their children. And like I said, it's a huge responsibility, but a beautiful one.
Yes. So universe has given you a special gift with the special ops. And you have been visiting Gujarat, like we have interviewed you before also. So like what will be your message to Gujaratis and when are you coming next?
Gujarat and I have a special connection. I've shot 2 out of the 3 Mastis in Gujarat. We shot in Baroda and we shot in Rajkot. और गुजराती खाना मुझे बहुत पसंद है. मैंने बहु आवड़તું એના વજહ से મને ગુજરાતી ખાना बहुत I love गुजराती दाल. जो आपका जो स्वीट दाल होता है मुझे बहुत पसंद है. मेरा बेस्ट फ्रेंड गुजराती है, तो बचपन से मैं उनके घर में इसलिए जाता था ताकि मुझे गुजराती खाना मिले. But yeah, I mean, it's special. A lot of my friends are Gujaratis and they are amazing people to hang out with. बहुत ही fun loving है, बहुत ही enthusiastic, sense of humor उनका कमाल है. तो I've always loved Gujaratis and Gujarati food as well. But I mean, also it's a beautiful state to visit. It's a beautiful place to visit, and yeah, I mean, I hope to come there and shoot something soon.
Oh wow, nothing in pipeline as of now.
There are a couple of things,
Anything
but I will tell you once. Yeah, once I sign them officially, I'm happy to share them. At the moment, they're still under finalization.
Okay. Till then, special ops. Thank you so much, Aftab ji. Thank you. Valuable time. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. It was a pleasure. Thank you very much.